I extend to you all a very warm welcome to the inaugural function of Center for Advanced Woodworking. We call it popularly CAW, C-A-W. At the outset, I would like to mention that KIT Group of Institutions with 22 years of glorious journey has 6,000 students plus, which are empowered by 350 plus highly qualified full-time faculty. And the whole institution is very confidently marching ahead to meet the mission of the institution, which is to create industry-ready students. The effort of the institution in imparting technical education and to meet our vision has been aptly recognized by the Government of India when we achieved 176th rank nationally for engineering discipline and ranked in the band of 76 to 100 in pharmacy discipline in National Institutional Ranking Framework 2021, which was announced very recently on 9 September by Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji. I very proudly say that we are the only institution in Ghaziabad to have appeared nationally in top 200 rankings, sir. That's a matter of honor and pride for us. I also would like to mention that KIT is not only focusing on the university curriculum, but also trying to bridge the gap between industry and academia, as mandated in the National Education Policy 2020. Towards this, we have got large number of centers of excellence and the technical clubs. We also have the technology business incubator, as has just been shown in the video. We have also got an industrial research and consultancy development center. And I would like to mention that in our near vicinity, the industry in Ghaziabad, they popularly call us as the industrial acharya, kite industrial acharya. Also, we are going to shortly have a NABL accredited lab. Also, a facility that is a common facility center proposal under ODOP scheme for Ghaziabad district has been submitted to the government of UP, and we have got a approval at the district level. Now, I would like to mention that since our mandate of the institution is to create industry-ready students, we are very confident that the sanction of this common facility center to higher ranking NIRF ranking institution like us will immensely benefit industry in Ghaziabad. And we are very keenly looking forward for the sanction of this particular common facility center for our institution. Now, we have discussed enough and you have seen in the video, but the furniture industry in India has seen a growth even during the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown. Now, you would also privy to this fact that there is the urbanization which is taking place at a very fast pace, where better lifestyles are going to be there. Demand for office and home furniture is going to increase in near future. So whole unorganized sector of the furniture industry is heading toward the organized sector. Now, along with this, if I look at the furniture industry globally, it's about $130 million size global industry is there, and there is a 10 to 15% of growth every year. Now, India is not even exporting 1% of the global market. Now, we can see there are numerous domestic and export opportunities. For that, we need to reskill the manpower and upskill the existing manpower. Now, I would like to say the establishment of this center is therefore very timely in KIT Group of Institutions, and I would like to thank here Shri Syed Ahmed Ji, CEO BC India, the Board of Directors of the BC India, including Mr. Stefano and Mr. Prahlad and his team who are here. And they have agreed and they have given the approval of setting up this prestigious state-of-the-art center for the entire northern India in our campus. We are really honored and we would like to thank you, sir, for this. I also would like to mention that there has been a meticulous planning and the execution, and during this COVID-19 period, whenever there was a window for the movement of the machines and the movement of the manpower, those windows were adequately utilized, used, and that's why the continuous work kept on going in last 1 year, which has led to this inaugural function. I also take this opportunity to thank CEO FFSC, Mr. Rahul Mehta Ji also, for his very, very enthusiastic support, which I have seen during our planning and the setting up stages. FFSC has recently completed 6 years, and I'd like to compliment Mr. Mehta that in the short span you have created a first of its kind, a skilling ecosystem for the furniture industry for all the stakeholders, including academia, and would like to compliment you. This is a fantastic effort which has been done. And in this direction, KIT and the Skill Council We are also joined hands by signing an MOU, and that would be exchanging hands in the presence of the dignitaries shortly during the program later today. I would like to lastly assure the Honorable Ministers and the House present here that KIT, DC India and the Sector Skill Council will work together towards skilling the workforce for furniture industry and make KIT as one of the popular training destinations that will fulfill the needs of the job aspirants, entrepreneurs and the furniture industry. The center, I am sure, will set an example towards industry-academia collaboration as mandated in National Education Policy 2020. I would like to thank you all for sparing your valuable time for this inaugural function and for showering your blessings. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।